Plaza in Gables is known because of the beautiful landscape and the beautiful scenery. Most people know that parking garages are not the most appealing or most beautiful spaces, but we could make an effort to make them beautiful like this. Look at this. Can you believe this project is nearly 1,000 square feet? It essentially connects all the levels of a parking garage towards this staircase. Because we have experience working with the real plants, we know exactly what type of foliage to use, what looks real and what doesn't really look as real. This is essentially the end towards the first floor of the garage. And what we did here is that we put some vines to just add a little more realistic element to the space. A beautiful green wall, but then towards the end you have this foliage that starts to cascade over just to kind of bring more realistic effect to the green wall. So we make sure that we connect with you, the customer, and bring something really beautiful, really authentic, and really valuable to your homes or business. If you're thinking about building a green wall, it doesn't matter if it's big like this or small, we can help you create something really outstanding in a cost-effective way.